take the stress out of Christmas Day and get your Christmas dinner prep done. So today we're starting with prepping pigs in blankets because they are, of course, the quickest and easiest food to prep ahead. But I mean, you can actually prep everything ahead of Christmas Day, and I'm not just talking about prepping on Christmas Eve instead. So that's exactly what I'm going to do every day on my channel. I'm going to be showing you different foods you can prep ahead of Christmas, as well as how to cook them on the day. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, so I always start my Christmas food prep with the quickest and easiest food, which is, of course, pigs in blankets. Plus, it's always good to get your raw meat prep out of the way first so you can get cleaned up before you start on the veg. Now, I always prep my own pigs in blankets because they're not only cheaper, but you can also choose the quality of sausage you use. So these ones, for example, have a 90% pork content, which I like. But of course, you can get some cheaper ones or pre-prepared ones, which might have a lower pork content. So anyway, pigs in blankets are so easy to prep. I mean, you literally roll a sausage in a rash of streaky bacon. Now, previous years I've used chipolatas, but this year I'm using smaller cocktail sausages. So I'm just going to cut my rasher in bacon in half, stretch it out using the back of a knife, and then roll it around the cocktail sausage. Now, in terms of quantities, I've made enough for 3 mini sausages each, just because I think the kids will eat more of these than the turkey. And you know what, I'm more than happy to have a few left over. So just remember, when you're making ahead your pigs in blankets, you're going to be freezing the sausages and the bacon raw. So always do it when the meat is fresh and it's not already been frozen and defrosted. And when it comes to freezing them, you don't want raw meat loose in your freezer. So grab a lidded Tupperware and layer up your pigs in blankets using baking paper. Once they're frozen solid, you can then transfer them out of this Tupperware into a freezer bag. It will mean they take up less room in the freezer and you'll get your Tupperware back. I hope you found today's video useful. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to see what else you can prep ahead to take the stress out of Christmas Day.